Chikmagalur has quietly become one of the best destinations in South India for couples. Surrounded by coffee plantations, misty hills, and forest silence, the best resorts here are designed around privacy, seclusion, and stress-free stays, especially for couples and unmarried partners. Here are the best resorts in Chikmagalur for couples, explained in depth. 1. The Serai Chikmagalur. Best overall resort for couples seeking privacy and luxury. The Serai is widely considered the gold standard for couple stays in Chikmagalur. It is built inside a vast coffee plantation where each villa is completely independent, creating a feeling of total isolation. For couples, the highlight is the private pool and jacuzzi villas, which allow you to spend the entire stay without interacting with other guests. The staff is discreet, the service is polished, and the environment feels intentionally quiet. Romantic dinners, candlelit setups, and spa rituals for couples are core experiences here. This resort is ideal for honeymoons, anniversaries, or couples who want absolute privacy without compromise. 2. Trivik Hotels and Resorts. Best for couples who love views and grand landscapes. Trivik is located at a high altitude near Mullayanagiri, offering panoramic views of the Western Ghats. This resort is about space, elevation, and scenery rather than hidden villas. The mountain suites are extremely spacious with large balconies overlooking valleys and coffee estates. Misty mornings and sunset views from the infinity pool are the main romantic draws here. Trivik is fully couple-friendly, allows unmarried couples, and maintains smooth check-in policies. This is ideal for couples who enjoy quiet luxury, fresh air, and scenic mornings together. 3. Java Rain Resort. Best modern, design-driven resort for couples. Java Rain is for couples who prefer modern architecture and aesthetic experiences over traditional luxury. The resort blends into the hills using concrete, glass, and open-air spaces that feel connected to nature. One of its biggest highlights is the Crimson Peak Treetop Bar, where couples gather for sunset drinks overlooking the Western Ghats. Private jacuzzi villas, open balconies, and forest-facing rooms make it a strong romantic choice. Java Rain is clearly positioned as a couple-friendly resort, popular with young couples and weekend travelers from Bangalore. 4. Vismita County. Best value for money resort for couples. Vismita County offers one of the best balances between price, privacy, and comfort in Chikmagalur. Set across a large coffee estate, it offers pool villas and couple suites with jacuzzis. The resort is known for polite staff, clean rooms, and calm surroundings. It explicitly allows unmarried couples and accepts local IDs, which makes it a popular choice for short romantic getaways. This is a great option if you want privacy and nature without paying ultra-luxury prices. 5. Siri Nature Roost. Best for couples who want nature with in-room jacuzzi. Siri Nature Roost is a quieter, more intimate resort close to Mullayanagiri. Its cottages are spacious, well separated, and designed to give couples privacy. The main attraction here is the private jacuzzi cottages, combined with forest surroundings and minimal disturbance. It also offers spa services and nature walks, making it suitable for relaxed, slow-paced trips. This resort works well for couples who want calm and greenery rather than resort crowds. The best resort in Chikmagalur for couples depends on how private and immersive you want your stay to be. For total privacy and indulgence, the Serai stands at the top. For dramatic views and elevation, Trivik is unmatched. For modern aesthetics, Java Rain leads. For value and privacy, Vismita County is the safest bet. And for calm nature stays, Siri Nature Roost fits perfectly. If you choose based on privacy, policy clarity, and environment, Chikmagalur becomes one of the easiest places in India for a stress-free couple getaway.